Hello, everyone. As you can see, we're going to be unboxing a Star Wars The Black Series figure here today. This is one that I'm sure almost everybody picked up because it was on the shelf forever, especially at Target. I think this guy originally went for like 30 bucks. I picked him up for 6 because it was finally at a price that I was willing to pay. I believe this is actually from Solo, so what we're going to do is put this on the Solo shelf. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside the box. We'll go ahead and unbox Moloch here, and then take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and go from there. So as you can see from the front, it is the older red style Black Series box. And on the side here, we've got Moloch. It is not numbered, and it's got Echo 2821. And on the back here, it says Moloch. Moloch wallows in authority over the lesser thieves of his gang. Like all white worms, Moloch is very sensitive to natural light and must wear special gear when outside his dank lair. Okay, interesting. All right, and that's that right there. So again, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. If I can find a link to them, I'll go ahead and include that in the description as well. So let's go ahead and unbox him. We'll go ahead and see what we can do. It's a larger box, so it's a little bit different than the standard Black Series boxes. Put that guy right there. And he just comes right out. Interesting. I don't know why his body came apart like it did. I have to push that in pretty well there. There we go. The nice thing is he's going to stand up pretty well on his own. Let's see. Got the face shield. Blaster. And we've got a staff. All right. Let me get everything organized and maybe if I can fix his body just a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, so for some reason, I'm not able to get his body actually in that peg hole. If you guys have this figure, did you have that problem too? That's really weird. I can definitely see why this was a bench warmer. In fact, I think Solo was better than it was expected to be, especially with all the different directors and whatnot. Yeah, so... All right, off of Solo. So let's go ahead and take a look at Moloch here. His accessories, we do have a blaster here. It's a very small blaster. It's interesting. I'll see how well Moloch actually holds it. It's not horrible. And then we've got the staff. It's a really interesting looking staff. And then we've got his face shield here. So let's go ahead and take a look at articulation first. Head doesn't really, it moves a little bit on the inside, not a whole lot. You got a little up and down motion. You've got the face guard here that moves up and down. Probably going to need that to get that on there. Our arms, they actually have pretty good movement all the way up. Got about 90 degrees on the movement there. And then the wrist, it's left and right on that guy, and up and down on that one. Like I said before, the body is basically loose in this guy. I don't know why. So you're able to turn pretty far with him, and he has no feet. That is the worm bottom. All right, blaster. Looks like it's going to fit pretty well in his hand. Might need a little finagling here. There we go. And staff. We don't drop them on the ground. Nice thing, though, is the fact that because he has that big worm bottom, he's not going to tip over or anything like that. pretty sturdy. And then the face shield goes right in there like that, like so. And there we go. I mean, he's pretty cool looking. I definitely wouldn't have wanted to spend the $30, but for $6, I think he's great. So let's go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a good look at Moloch there. Yeah, so like I was saying before, I think he's good pickup if you can get him for like under $10. I would not have wanted to spend the full amount on him. There were some things that I did not like the body that actually came right out of the bottom of that. But I mean, there are some good details. I think there's good weathering and dirt and whatnot at the bottom of his robes here. I think he looks screen accurate, so that's super cool. I like the piping that he's got on the face area there, and I think I actually learned something. I didn't know he was a worm, so that was actually really cool. So yeah, I mean, if you're collecting solo pieces, I think this will work out really well for you. He looks good. He's going to look really good on the shelf, especially like this. And you don't have to worry about him falling over because he's got that large bottom base. So I do like that. So anyways, if you have any questions, make sure you ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If I am able to still find him, I will leave a link in the description down below. I do have some more solo figures that I'll probably be unboxing in the next month or so, just depending on what new releases are available. So I always go back, find some of the boxes that I've been meaning to open, and I open them when I have a good chance here. So with that, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do other things as well that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, I like to share things that interest me, and hopefully they interest you as well. So with that, have a great day.